In the heart of Bekwarra, Cross River State, a remarkable display of unity unfolded today, August 13, 2025. Hundreds of widows, their voices filled with determination, took to the streets in a peaceful march. Their mission was clear: to demand the immediate reinstatement of Honorable THERESA USHIE'S, the suspended chairman of Bekwarra local government area. The widows, many of whom have directly benefited from Ushi's administration, marched through key areas of local government headquarters, chanting solidarity songs and carrying placards with powerful messages. Justice for THERESA USHIE'S and our voice, our choice, echoed through the streets, a testament to the impact Ushie has had on their lives. Through her initiative, Ushie has provided these women with empowerment programs, bursaries for their children, and agricultural support. Her suspension, they claim, was politically motivated and unjust.
I am your servant. I am nothing more than you. You have given me this opportunity that we should live for us. All of us are praying. My knee cannot pray again because my heart is already on the ground. And God wanted me to say something to the governor. He chose one person to take care of us. But now we are wondering, we don't know where it happened. If you people will be humble yourself and talk to God, as my daughter is listening for you people here, God will heal our life. Amen. God will heal our children. Amen. The reason of my crying yesterday is that, hey, children has studied, suffer for themselves, have nowhere to go. They have nowhere to go. Essence of the day, the great I am is the name of the Lord. Amen. I will see you. God called me out to speak to my people, but there is no way for me.
The widows are adamant that Ushie should be given a fair hearing and reinstated to her position. The suspension of Honorable THERESA USHIE'S was announced on June 11, 2025 by the Cross River State House of Assembly, citing allegations of abuse of office and financial misappropriation. The Assembly has set up a committee to investigate these allegations and will reveal the findings within 90-day suspension period. Meanwhile, Vice Chairman Egbun Odama has taken over as acting chairman, tasked with ensuring the council's stability and effective administration. As the Widows' March came to a close, their message was clear. They stand in solidarity with Honorable THERESA USHIE'S and demand justice. The fate of Ushie's suspension hangs in the balance, with the investigation outcome determining the next steps for the Bekwarra local government area. Cross River State.